Alright, we're going to change injectors on this Ford 3000. Super simple. You got this little wing nut deal right here. Boop. Right there. You're going to loosen it up. Take it out of the way. Move your battery, the battery tray out of the way. That gives you complete access right there to all three injectors. I'm going to shut my yapper. Y'all can watch. I'm going to time lapse this. Throw some music in there, whatever. And here we go.
There you go.
Let's tear down! This is the return lines. We're taking them off. Yep. Still got this one cracked open. We'll spin it over, bleed it, and if all goes right, it ought to crank. So it's that quick and easy. I know it was on time lapse and all that, but really, I was out here on that little job 20 minutes. So it's super easy to change your injectors out. I will be rebuilding those injectors because the gentleman I'm doing this for has got a couple more tractors almost identical to this. I'm sure down the road he's going to need injectors, so I'm going to go ahead and redo those. I'll do a video on that whenever I do it, and I'll have them on the shelf bagged up ready for him whenever the next one needs them. So anyway, that's about it. thanks for watching. See you around.